Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln MKS 2009 to 2012? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2009 Lincoln MKS is located near the front left side of the engine bay, close to the battery. It houses high amperage fuses and relays that power essential systems like the powertrain control module, cooling fans, ABS, fuel pump, and ignition coils. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 Lincoln MKS is positioned on the front left side of the engine bay, near the battery, and contains a mix of high-amperage cartridge fuses and relays. It safeguards essential systems, including the powertrain control module, ABS pump and valves, cooling fan, 60 amps on the 3.7-liter, 80 amps on the 3.5-liter EcoBoost, fuel pump relay, starter, moonroof, heated cooled seats, and auxiliary power points. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 and 2012 Lincoln MKS is located near the battery and houses high amperage fuses and relays. It powers critical systems such as the ABS pump, cooling fans, fuel pump, starter, PCM, lighting, and heated cooled seats. passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 Lincoln MKS is located beneath the dashboard on the passenger side, behind a trim panel. It protects and distributes power to interior systems such as power windows, door locks, interior lighting, climate control, infotainment, and seat modules. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2010 Lincoln MKS is located under the dashboard on the driver's side, behind a removable trim panel. It powers interior systems such as power windows, seat controls, sync, GPS, lighting, radio, climate control, and ignition modules. This fuse box is organized for quick diagnostics and easy access, allowing efficient maintenance of essential cabin electronics. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 and 2012 Lincoln MKS is located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side, behind a trim panel near the footwell. It controls and protects circuits for interior systems like power seats, windows, locks, sync, GPS, interior lighting, and climate control.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.